To begin to repair your energy field, you're going to begin by doing these steps. 1, close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath. Allow your breath to relax your body as much as you want at this moment. As you relax your body, you will be gaining access to different aspects of yourself. 2, clap your hands together like so and begin to play with the energy that is between your hands. You'll notice that the energy becomes stronger as you play more and more with your hands. As the energy becomes stronger, imagine that the energy is forming itself into a sphere of white light. Continue playing with the sphere more and more. And as you continue to play with it, grow the sphere to be larger and larger until it engulfs the physical body. Like so. Now you have repaired your energy field. In order to seal it, you're going to have to clap again, like so. Take a deep breath. And with the energy of your hands, you're going to begin pushing and smoothing out the energy field like so. You are going to do the front, you're going to do the sides like this. And to do the back, you are going to use the intent that you're doing so also in the back of you, like so. The more you practice this, the better you become at it and the stronger your energy becomes. The more aware you become of energy and the more you're able to sense it. For more tips on energy and the knowledge of our spiritual world, follow for more.